Man, does this thing still work? I haven't used this thing in a minute. Man. Well, let's go ahead and get started with the episode. What's good, gang? You guys already know what time it is. It's Woods, and I'm back. But you know, right now, before we head to school, because again, yes, we still at school. I think we got about, if I were to guess, maybe 6 months left in school. We've completed what, three months, and I'm trying to graduate early. That's why I say 6. Right now, we're heading. I got some running around to do. Gotta stop at the auto zone. Having some problems with the whip. I was looking like your boy Woods might have to get another whip. If anything, it's just gonna make me grind harder, just to make sure that I still have everything I need while I'm in school, especially getting back and forth to school. But right now, you know, we're trying to keep the good baby, you know, running until we're done with school. I'm gonna see if I can make it a target before 8:40. So I always say 8:40. I have to be straight on the way to school because it takes 20 minutes to get to school. So no matter what I'm doing, I have to leave at 8:40. And actually, I still have to go to the shop, and I got a house call right after school. And so I actually have to go to the shop, pick up everything, and make sure that it's in the car and ready. For by the time I get out of school, I gotta go straight to the house call, then I gotta go back to the shop. I think I got one head today, but I wasn't able to cancel him because he's going out of town, and I didn't want to do my guy like that. That's what I got going on this morning. We're in a little bit of a bind. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? It's 8:05, so we have exactly 35 minutes before our time runs out, and we gotta go ahead and head to school. How you doing? All right.
You ready?
Yes, I am. All right, so I think I'm gonna go ahead, head to the shop first, because at the end of the day, I need to make sure that these clippers is in my car. Number one, I had to make sure that the car is good. Number two, I gotta make sure that I got the clippers in the car, ready to go for the job.
And it was in one of them newer cabins though.
Whew. Alright guys, we are on the road. Not gonna hold you. I'm running a lot behind. We're gonna see if we can make up this time. I'm running about 5 minutes behind. I had to put the fluids, I had to put the coolant and the oil in there before I got on there, because I looked and my coolant was way lower than what I thought. I mean, I'm gonna drive it all the way to school. I'm gonna check it after we get out of the morning meeting, just to see if I have a leak or something. It could be something different, because I mean it was way lower than what was expected. But guys, I'm on the way to school. You know, this is a morning like Woods, man. This is a morning. A little bit busier than usual, but I mean, hey, it gives you guys something to watch, I feel like. But hopefully my life struggles is entertaining for you guys. Like, oh my God, is he gonna make it? When I tell you guys, like, when I literally tell you guys, it is like, it's 9:02. I'm 2 minutes late. And I would have made it on time. For any Indy drivers that are watching this, get out the left lane if you're going slow. Because, oh my goodness, I would have made it on time.
Bigger than your excuses. You guys seeing any kind of a theme going on this week or no?
Yes.
Is it getting obvious? Yeah. Okay, good. Good. So I don't know what they're going to do tomorrow, so I want to end on the same note. So success occurs when your dreams.
So, basically, we just got out of the morning meeting. You guys saw, you know, the theme of the discussion in today's morning meeting is, you know, is basically, I don't remember it exactly, so don't get on me. But when do your dreams become so big that they outweigh your excuses? I feel like it was a pretty good one today. Mostly because if you're dreaming so hard, you know, why are you making excuses? You should be over here chasing your dream. Everything else around you it doesn't faze you, because at the end of the day you're just driving. You just see the effects of life as obstacles. So if you look at life like that, I mean, you should be ready to knock down any obstacle that's in your way, because all you see is your dream on the other side of that wall. But now getting away from morning meeting and addressing that, your boy is hungry, because again, I was running late. So, you know, sometimes, you know, after morning meeting, they give you like a few, like 15 minutes or so, just to go ahead and get yourself together. So then when you can hop in theory, you know, focus, and do the book work that you're supposed to be doing. Cool, so I'll get back to y'all.
Going through all weather, you sweating,
Does it stay on?
yeah. It should stay kind of hair pieces. I guess with a barber's license, you should learn how to braid. So you technically could do sew-ins. I would suggest extra classes because we don't really focus on that so much here. But the key is to always shampoo the hair.
The rules are you can ring in anytime, but I'm going to stop reading the question when you ring in. So if you have enough information at that point, after just a few words, you can ring in, you can give an answer. If you're wrong, the opposing team gets the full question and all 4 answers read, you know, for them to make their decision. The blank line is the heaviest perimeter.
Design line?
Incorrect.
Wow.
The blank line is the heaviest perimeter area of a 0 elevation or 45-degree cut.
Wait.
And the answers available are the cutting line, the bowl cut line, the weight line, or the bilateral line. The weight line is correct. For a point for
Sorry.
yes, sir. The removal of excess bulk. That is correct.
Yes, sir. You going against me?
All right,
Let's go.
Cutting above the fingers is a.
Another finger.
I don't even know.
A finger over shear. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Mano y mano.
What is that? 2?
When using the shear over comb technique, the hair is placed in position for cutting by blank.
Wrong out the camera.
Yes, sir. Shear over comb cutting. The comb is held parallel to the blade.
Cutting blade.
Cutting blade is incorrect. Still blade is correct. Okay, this is another oddball out, right? Okay. Blow dry styling can be used to achieve all of the following except speed drying, natural drying, special effects. Who got that?
Bitch.
That was me.
Watch out. You're about to get ripped.
He does not do this.
Yeah, go ahead.
Is it the... Run back the answer.
No, you can't do that.
Speed drying, natural drying. As far as you got.
Speed drying, natural drying. Is it the special...
What's your answer?
The special one.
You're gonna feel so dumb.
It's natural.
It is natural.
Yeah, I was like,
Creating a ridge or bend in the hair with a comb followed by concentrated heat from the blow dryer gives the hair what? Available answers are direction, a part line, curls, or versatility.
Part line.
Incorrect. Creating a ridge or bend in the hair with a comb followed by concentrated heat from the blow dryer gives the hair blank.
Curls.
The outer perimeter of the haircut is called the blank line.
Design.
Yes.
I had like a seizure. I was like,
No. No.
So I basically came in here to talk to you guys about something real quick. If you guys don't know who Dave is the owner of A+. He had ended up coming up to me. He's like, hey, I want you to do this shave. You know, you already did your shave practical. I want you to do this shave on some one of my old friends. I got him in the chair and I experienced something I didn't in a long time, and that's jitters. I've never had jitters a day. You know what? It's been 2 years, I think, you know, since the last time I've ever had jitters cutting hair. I'm very comfortable cutting hair, but again, I stopped cutting new people because I'm in school right now. And so I'm used to cutting those same old people over and over and over again. I say this to say, basically, no matter how comfortable or how good you think you are at something, don't ever stop doing it. Don't ever fall out of practice just because you think you got it nailed. Always continue to work on something. Always make sure that you're always getting those reps in. Because at the end of the day, you can always fall out. You can always get a little rust, get a little rusty. And sometimes you have to dust that rust off you and make sure, you stay fresh, I guess you could say. Doesn't matter how long you've been doing it, man. We all get jitters, we all get nervous because, again, we're uncomfortable. It's something that we're out of practice of doing. So never fall out of practice, basically what I came on here to say. But right now, guys, it's about 4:15. It's time to do personal sanitations and then overall sanitations. Time to basically, in other words, clean up for the day. I got a house call. I don't know if I'm gonna show this house call just because it is somebody that's personal. I don't know if he wants me coming in there, videotaping his whole house. But I do have a cut at the shop. It's one of my guys, of course. Like I told you guys, I'm cutting my own clients, and these clients know that I record. Pretty sure he doesn't mind being on camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and at least show you guys one cut in this vlog today. This is my day, man. Come to school 9 to 5. You gotta squeeze in those heads that you can, because again, I'm not making the money that I'm used to. So you gotta adjust a little bit, because at the end of the day, if I don't adjust, I'll fall flat on my face. And you guys know, Wiz does not fall flat on his face. We might get uncomfortable, we might fail, but it's never a failure unless you don't see it as a learning experience. But let's go ahead, guys, and get straight to the sanitation so we can deuces out of here. Alright, guys, so I left about 5 minutes early just so I can get a head start on heading to old dude's crib. Yeah, I don't know, something just tells me that today is not my day for being on time. So I was like, let me go ahead, see if I can get up to his crib as soon as possible so I can finish his cut and head to the shop and make sure I'm definitely on time for that appointment. So I basically don't know if I'm gonna be able to show y'all this cut, but that's where I'm going, y'all. So I'll go ahead and get back to you guys. Hopefully I'll be able to show you guys this cut. You know he wanna smile. Look at him. Hey! Got him in there. Here for Miami. Ugh. Last cut of the day, my guys. I had one house call, and I have my brother here sending him off to Miami looking right. Look at him. Look at him. Oh! Details. Alright, you guys. I'll see you guys when I get back to the crib. What's up, guys? We're finally at the crib. Finally back. I'm not gonna lie, it's not the same day at all. But it is the day that I finished finally editing this episode. And I finished it. I was like, okay, it's finally time to do the outro. Honestly, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I really enjoy doing the outro more after I have the whole thing finished. It's not the same day because I feel like I can watch the whole thing and I can give you guys my message. I feel like I'm able to leave you guys with more after I've watched the whole thing a couple times over and over. And I guess what my biggest takeaway from this video is the biggest inspirational person to me was Kobe. One of the things that he said a quote that I could give you guys: the dream is in the journey, not the destination. And I feel like that is exactly what I'm learning to do. I'm learning to love the journey and not so more focused on the destination, because I feel like if you reach the destination too quick, there's nothing for you to look back on. So I'm enjoying every hardship, every accomplishment that I'm going through at this moment, because I know that I'm itching, I'm crawling, I'm fighting for that destination. Whether it's me getting my barber's license, me finishing school, me accomplishing my dream, number one, becoming a big influencer, you know, influencing as many people as I possibly can, or whether it's me being a celebrity barber. I'm embracing the learning process, because a lot of times I would try to either make these vlogs perfect, like, I mean, try to be like these guys that have millions and millions of subscribers and try to be like them, because that's what I wanted to be. But instead, I'm learning to just be myself, you know, become nice over time. Nobody's gonna become nice in one day. When I first entered school, it was more like I seen it like this waste of time. Like, oh my God, I'm taking a pay cut. I'm here from 9 to 5. This is a big part of my day. You know what I mean? And then I know I got, you know, people that I've already been cutting. So it's like, I know that I can't just stop cutting and fall off the face of the earth. I got other responsibilities. I'm in a spot that a lot of other people, you know, that are in barber school may wish that they were in. So don't sit up here and complain and mope and complain. You know, enjoy it. You know, take on where you're at. That's what I'm gonna give to you guys, is number one, take where you guys are at. Stop looking around you. You know, your journey is your journey. Whether you're entering barber college, you're watching my videos and you want to take a whole nother career path, enjoy where you're at. You know what I mean? Because if you don't enjoy where you're at, if you don't enjoy your journey, and you're so focused on the destination, or you're too busy looking around at your peers, maybe the people that you went to high school with, and they're doing things that maybe you wish you were doing, it can make your life so much more miserable. It's your book. You write it every single page, every single day. Do what you love. So I guess that's my little nugget for you guys. It's kind of like my way of like getting y'all to the end of the video. So that don't mean go ahead and go skip to the end of the video just so you guys get my motivational nugget. All right, that means you still gotta watch the whole video. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here. I'm not gonna try to be too loud, because it is like damn near almost heading to like 1 o'clock in the morning. But I'm still trying to make this outro energetic. I think my family understands. I'm gonna take the heat for you guys on this one. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like the video if you like the video, because why wouldn't you like the video if you like the video? Go ahead, drop a comment down below, because you guys are another level. You guys comment down below. But hey, it's Woods, and I'm out.